So you've asked, you've tried, you've been successful, you've won awards, many awards, publishing, television. Have you ever gotten to a point where you thought, I've made it? This is it?
Well, I don't think you never really make it, you know. I mean, money's never been a driving force for me. I mean, it's fantastic. But, in a lot of careers, you get to a stage where it's like, I've heard it all before. You know, it's not as exciting anymore. You're sitting in meetings, and now I sit in meetings wondering if I moved that pigsty over here or I put a new roof on here, you know, where I'm not really listening to what they're saying about some big production. So I know, you know, for myself, you know, life is moving on to other things. And I think that's the thing. When you're bored, you can pretty much guarantee the people around you will be bored. And I remember, I used to know Richard Branson quite well. I remember him saying that, you know, and to me, he's the greatest entrepreneur of all time. He's a guy who started in the music business, then went on to film and failed. Didn't do very well in the film industry, then went on to airlines and Virgin Cola and Virgin Banks and Virgin, you know, and he's a great hero of mine. And, you know, and you've got to be passionate, you've got to believe. And he believes, you talk to him about his airlines, he believes that everybody should have the right to great travel at good cost and on a good airline. And you know, you can feel it coming out of his pores, and that's what entrepreneurs are. You know, they may rattle on about their subject matter, but they believe it. They believe their cookies are the best. They believe that their paint shows are the best, you know, and it's infectious. And, you know, it's kind of charming, you know, to be with a real entrepreneur with that passion is, I think is something quite special and rubs off on people.